moment of truth. We are going to see if we have flame-throwing exhaust for this Batmobile that we're building out of a 1989 Corvette. So Rick's going to start the car. We're going to hit a little bit of fuel. We're going to spark it off. And in theory, we'll have some fire coming out of this exhaust. So here we go.
Right.
See if we can get this thing to light off. Oh, man. I'm nervous, man.
Me too.
I'm nervous for like the moment of truth, man. I don't dare go look at it.
I know.
I don't know, man.
What do you think?
You got enough fuel in there?
I don't know. What do you think? Let it run long enough? I don't know.
I'll walk around over here and see what the sitch looks like. Dude, not well close.
Sorry.
Alright. Go ahead. I guess just keep clicking her until we get her. Something's gonna light because those fumes have to come out of there. Maybe try it with it out without it running, hit the pump.
Alright.
Just a quick ring. I mean, it's dumps fuel, dude. It's a lot of fuel that goes in there. Good.
Oh no, I didn't mean to hit that
Okay.
one.
Hit it.
Sorry.
Click it. Yeah, I knew that would work. That one's working great.
Yeah.
All right. Just keep kicking this side. And
Yeah.
that one's lit.
Why? It's only hit.
Oh, you're only hitting this one? All right. I'd say, yeah, I'd say start her up.
Okay.
See what happens. Yeah, dude. Hey, look, yeah. I would say we have a flamethrowing Batmobile here. Yes! Wow! That is so great! Let's try it again. Okay, hold on. Hang tight.